Hi there, Jason. Melissa here. I just wanted to shoot you this quick video comparing your top competitors to you and why they are outranking you on Google. Now, I know you said that you had more business you can handle, and what you're really looking for is employees, and I can help you there too. But let's just go back through this real quick. So here we are on your website, and it's really not optimized to be searched by Google. And what we mean by that is you need to have at least 1,500 words, and you fall short of that by quite a bit. You've only got about 150 words on your website. In comparison over here, Topscape Landscaping has closer to that 1,500 words. However, they're not there either. They're more around 700 or so words. And then you come over here to Uncommon Ground, and you are about on par with them as far as words on your homepage. And I'll show you in a minute here, though, why they are outranking you, even though you guys have the same amount of words. And we're going to come over here to this tool here that I use that will show you exactly why that's happening. See right here, for your website, you've only got 2 backlinks coming back to your website. And you've got 1 referring domain and only 3 organic keywords that people are finding you for. And if we go over here to Uncommon Ground, even though you guys have the same word content, they have 177 backlinks linking back to them and 37 referring domains. And they're being ranked for 57 keywords. So they're being found a lot quicker than you are, a lot higher up than you are in Google, just based on that. And all that's very obtainable. It's all very easy to beat. Right here, one of your other competitors, Topscape Landscaping, they have 284 backlinks linking back to them and 28 referring domains with 163 keywords. So this right here is telling Google that these guys are the experts here. These guys are the authority in landscaping here in the Quad Cities, and that's where you're missing out. Landscape in the Quad Cities gets searched 100 times a month. So that's 100 people that you are missing out on. Now, again, I realize that you said that your big pain point here is not having enough employees to fill the job. And again, we would be happy to help you with that. But I just wanted to point out to you real quick what you're missing when you're being searched. Another key thing here that Google's looking for is the number of citations. A citation is your exact name, phone number, address as it appears on Google. And right here, we see some of these other landscaping companies. Topscape has 19. You have 12. Freeman Tree Farm has 33. Picture Perfect Lawn has 26. Uncommon Ground has 21. And Green Space Associates has 43. I'm going to end here on your website and recap the 3 reasons why you're being outranked. And 1, remember that is content. You don't have enough content on your homepage to be optimized for Google to search. Ideally, you would want 1,500 at least. 2, citations. Again, that's your exact business name, phone number, and address as it appears in Google. And 3, the backlinks that point back to your website that tell the Quad Cities that you are the authority when it comes to landscaping here in this area. Again, my name is Melissa. My phone number is 309-235-9255. I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.